हाय दिस इज हेलीन सानी एंड यू आर वाचिंग गूगल बॉलीवुड। पूरे विश्व में आज वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे मनाया जा रहा है। हर साल की तरह इस साल भी बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स लोगों को एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति सजग रहने और अपनी तरफ से प्रकृति को साफ रखने का संदेश दे रहे हैं। सेलेब्स लोगों को क्लाइमेट वॉरियर बनकर उनकी रक्षा करने को बोल रहे हैं और बॉलीवुड की जानी मानी हस्तियों ने अपने अपने सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट करके फैंस को वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पर मैसेज भी दिए हैं। एक्ट्रेस भूमि पेडनेकर ने अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पर बॉलीवुड सितारों की वीडियोस रीपोस्ट की है, जिसमें वह वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के बारे अपने फैंस को मैसेज दे रहे हैं। भूमि पेडनेकर ने अनुष्का शर्मा, अक्षय कुमार, अर्जुन कपूर, करण जौहर, दिया मिर्जा, अनन्या पांडे की वीडियो शेयर की है। सभी ने एक स्वर में कहा है कि खुद भी जिएं और धरती पर मौजूद सभी जीव जंतु या कहें बायोडाइवर्सिटी को भी जीने दें। आप भी नजर मारे उन वीडियोस पर।
Our beautiful planet that has sustained us now needs us to protect it more than ever. During this time, we as a community must tread carefully and act immediately. A lot of damage has been done and climate change is a grave reality that all of us are facing. Today, the one wish that I have is that we all work towards rebuilding Mother Nature by the simplest act of planting trees. I consider this to be one of the most basic and efficient deeds that we can all exercise individually and also urge others to do so. So guys, let us all do our bit to heal and rebuild the only planet we have. So join me and become a climate warrior.
Hello my dear earthlings, I'm climate warrior Bhumi Pednekar and I'm here today because I want to ask you, what is your one wish? What is your one wish for our planet? Through my experience, I've realized that people still don't consider climate change to be a real threat. But it is. It is a conceptual fact so large that we just can't comprehend it. But it's a fact nonetheless, and it is something that's going to affect every living organism on this planet. It will not favor you because you're rich. You cannot buy your way out of climate change related calamities. No amount of technology can reverse the damage done. Our planet is heating up, our water is drying, our snow caps are melting, there's famine, there's flood, there's disease, there's drought. We are killing our biodiversity, and the frequency of such calamities is only going to increase. As humans, we discount the reality of our future because we feel it's so far away. But is it really? We try everything possible to protect and provide for our loved ones, but are we really doing what's required? Our climatic system is going to go to war with us for many centuries until it destroys us if we don't change things today. So my one wish for the earth is that every individual realizes that climate change is real. We start creating awareness about it and we kind of change. We learn to coexist with nature. We realize that this is not our planet alone. So yeah, that is my one wish for the earth. So to celebrate World Environment Day this year, I will be in conversation with some very cute and very bright kids discussing global warming, climate change, the environment. We will also be celebrating and supporting some small businesses that believe in sustainable living and coexisting with nature and being eco-friendly. And at the same time, I have some really special messages from my friends and peers from the industry where they will share their one wish for the earth. If you have a wish for our planet, please share it with me so that I can share it with the world. There'll be details in my captions below. Happy World Environment Day. Learn to love, learn to be compassionate, nurture our planet because there is no plan B. This is our only planet. This is our home.
Hi, I'm Anushka Sharma, and my wish for Earth is I wish that we would treat the plant and animal species as just as significant a part of nature as the human species. I wish that we would not treat them as a means to an end, because at the end of the day, we're all one. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
My one wish for the planet is that all human beings recognize how deeply connected our lives, our health, our well-being, our peace, our progress and prosperity is with nature. Nature performs invaluable services. The food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the climate that makes our planet inhabitable, all of this is provided to us by nature. By becoming more aware and more compassionate towards the way we treat our natural environment, we can make a big difference. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
Hey guys, so it's World Environment Day soon and I was asked what can I wish for this World Environment Day और एक ही चीज मेरे दिमाग में, let's reduce the use of plastic. On a day-to-day basis at least, हम सब तो कुछ ना कुछ कर ही सकते हैं. We've already caused a lot of harm unknowingly and in some cases knowingly. We've seen our marine life suffer and the fear and anxiety of our future generations suffering, knowing that only 9% can be recycled of the plastic that is there in this world. So baki 91% might never be recycled and it might just remain. I feel now is the time for change. Now is the time to be a climate warrior. And that small change for me started when I moved on from plastic bottles and started using metal bottles. मुझे पता है बहुत छोटी चीज लगती है लेकिन मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी शुरुआत थी. So yeah, I believe small changes matter and I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
Hi, my name is Karan Johar. What's my one big wish for Earth? Well, this is something that I've tried to implement even with my children, is water conservation, preservation of water resources. We tend to, take that for granted. We tend to misuse that power that we have, the power of water. So shut your taps, open your minds, and make sure that you conserve water, which is a hugely critical and important resource for our beautiful planet Earth. Let's make sure that we decide that our Earth is our home. Eventually, we all want to protect our homes. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
Hi guys, I'm Ananya Pandey. If I had one wish for Earth, it would be to save endangered species, which are on the verge of extinction. Our planet is blessed to have so many diverse species and forms of life. Unfortunately, as a result of human race's unending exploitation, some of the most beautiful species of animals have already gotten extinct or are on the verge of extinction. Why? Because we have threatened their habitat. Planet Earth is as much theirs as it is ours. Deforestation, pollution, overpopulation, and animal cruelty are a few of the major reasons for it. We must all learn to coexist and be sensitive with our actions towards them. As we all grew up, we were all taught lessons of coexistence, kindness, and compassion in school. But putting it into execution is in our hands. So let's not forget about our fellow creatures whom we share our home with and make our planet a better place for them to live on. I'm a climate warrior. Are you?
ऐसे और अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल गूगल बॉलीवुड को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. धन्यवाद.